Imagine a really tall building, like super tall, reaching way up into the sky, taller than anything you've ever seen. Guess what? That big tower, the Jeddah Tower, which was supposed to be even taller than the famous Burj Khalifa, stopped getting built for a while, but now it's starting up again. In this video, we're going to figure out why they stopped building it and what's making them start again. And hey, stick around because we're going to talk about Dubai possibly trying to build an even taller tower. Let's begin. The tall tower in Jeddah was expected to be completed in 2018, but it encountered many challenges. The company that was constructing it was called Bin Laden Group, and it was facing financial difficulties. They claimed that it was over 20% done in March, but then it slowed down significantly. First, there was a huge accident with a crane in Mecca. After that, the head of Bin Laden Group was arrested. This made everything come to a standstill for a while. Then COVID-19 came and they could not restart again. But last September, they said they would start again. The Jeddah Economic Company is now seeking another company to complete the tower. They want to look for another company to do the job by the end of the year. The Jeddah Economic City is a huge project in Saudi Arabia. It is near the Red Sea and near an airport. They want to make Jeddah better for tourism, business, and religion. They are investing a lot of money to achieve this. The core of this project is the Jeddah Tower, which will symbolize the power of Saudi Arabia in engineering and economics. The tower has not been built in the city yet, but the construction of Stage 1 is in progress despite the challenges like the arrest of the main financial backer, Prince Al-Walid bin Talal. Recent reports indicate that the road network and landscaping are almost 90% complete, which is a good indication of the determination to overcome challenges and make the project a success. The construction of the Jeddah Tower has been facing numerous challenges, while the Jeddah Economic City is progressing smoothly. Once the city has fulfilled its obligations in terms of providing necessary services, it is then ready to lease land to various developers and companies for their projects. The first phase of development is expected to generate 30,000 jobs for both Saudi and foreign workers. When finished, the city will have a skyline of at least 200 mid-rise towers around the central Jeddah Tower. The city is carefully divided into 3 areas: residential, financial, and a contemporary Al-Balad, Jeddah's historical district. The tower is designed to look like a young desert plant that spirals and looks natural. It is not just for aesthetic reasons, but also to withstand strong winds at such high altitudes. Apart from being tall, at the very top there is the highest observation deck in the world with the best views. It is not just a tower, it has apartments, offices, and a hotel at the top like a vertical city. It took a lot of time and planning to build something this big, and this shows how people can dream big and achieve their goals. First, a company from Germany called Bauer had to create a strong foundation in the ground. This led to the tower's unprecedented height. It started in the early 2010s with the Saudi Bin Laden Group, but they are no longer involved in the project, but the planning team remains the same. The tower's smart design is a result of a joint effort by Adrian Smith of the US-based Gordon Gill Architect and Dar al-Handasa Share, and partners of Lebanon as the engineering consultants. Currently, 1/3 of the tower is complete, which is a good sign of progress towards the completion of this massive structure. Constructing such a tall structure had many challenges. The team had to find a way to handle the strong winds and how to keep the tower from falling. The foundation is a huge slab of concrete that is 19 feet thick and covers a large area to ensure that the tower does not collapse during earthquakes. The elevators in the Jeddah Tower are designed to make movement within the building easier. The materials used, such as super strong concrete, also contribute to the strength and stability of the tower. The tower is strong because of special engineering techniques for dealing with earthquakes and strong winds. The Jeddah Tower is not only tall, but also environmentally sustainable. High-performance walls and great insulation are smart systems that require less energy. Gardens inside the tower not only look good, but also purify the air inside the tower. The Jeddah Tower keeps evolving and demonstrates the desire to accomplish great things. It will be the tallest building in the world once it is completed, and this shows that humans can build structures that will be remembered for a long time. Dubai is a city that has been home to the world's tallest building for 14 years and now has to contend with the fact that it may lose that distinction to the Jeddah Tower. The Burj Khalifa, which is a representation of Dubai's transformation into a tourist and business destination, may no longer be the tallest building in the world. To make things worse, Dubai is planning to construct the first kilometer-high building called the Dubai Creek Tower, which is in a close competition with its Saudi counterpart. But it is not only about tall buildings, it is a symbol of the major shifts in the power structure in the region. Saudi Arabia is demonstrating its significance in the world by constructing the Jeddah Economic City. This is not only about skyscrapers, but also about the Middle East wanting to be a part of the world. These huge buildings are a symbol of progress and competition between countries that want to be seen on the world stage. The skyscrapers in Dubai and the projects in Saudi Arabia are like a competition not only in terms of height, but also in terms of power. The Jeddah Tower is Saudi Arabia's way of showing the world that they are serious about their economy and their place in the world. But the plan for the Dubai Creek Tower is not making any major changes because of a small problem. It is also important to note that it does not qualify as a skyscraper because less than half of its height is habitable, and therefore it is a supported tower. It might be the tallest building when completed, but the title of the tallest building would still remain with Saudi Arabia. Like the Jeddah Tower, the Dubai Creek Tower also halted construction during the COVID-19 pandemic. It is also worth noting that as Saudi Arabia resumed the construction of the Jeddah Tower, Dubai also announced plans to resume the construction of their tower, which means that the construction might resume in the near future. Dubai shelved this project for years and is now resuming it at the same time as the Jeddah Tower. The first plan for the Creek Tower 7 years ago was to be higher than the Jeddah Tower. Dubai also knew that their project would face delays even in 2017 when the Jeddah Tower construction paused. The history of these two structures also suggests a rivalry and a race to be the tallest building in the world. One of the major effects of the Jeddah and Dubai Creek Towers on the world could be the encouragement to construct higher structures. I think the world will never stop pushing boundaries. If one tower finishes, the other or someone else worldwide might try to surpass the new height record. This competitive spirit could lead to a continuous cycle of trying to outdo each other, pushing the limits of architecture. Looking ahead, it raises the question of whether the fascination with tall structures will continue. Completing either the Jeddah Tower or the Dubai Creek Tower could start a new era where a 1-kilometer tall building becomes a common achievement. The changing story in skyscraper construction makes us think about a future where the extraordinary becomes ordinary. As we wonder about the fate of the Jeddah Tower, the overall theme is one of anticipation and curiosity, questioning if this time it will truly reach its peak and showcase human ambition and engineering skill. Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in our next video.